The index recording feature included in the 151 Sound File Management System will allow you to create a digital index of all the words spoken in your meeting, call, or conversation recordings. When you create an index, 151 uses the latest voice recognition technology to create a database record of all the words so that you can then easily search for words and phrases contained in your sound recording files. This video will show you how to create an index and then search for words and phrases. Voice recognition technology is a fairly accurate way to give you the ability to search and find what was said in your recordings. However, it is not yet accurate enough to provide a proper transcript of what was said. The alternative to an index is to use the 151 transcription service. This is a human-based resource and will provide as precise a transcript as is humanly possible. So, you have recorded a meeting, call, or conversation. The sound file is stored on the 151 Sound File Management System. And now you want to create an index to search for a word or words spoken in the recording. To create an index, simply navigate to the Call or Upload Details tab of the appropriate 151 sound record. Hover over the Index menu on the menu bar and select the Create Index option. You will be asked to confirm your acceptance of the charges associated with creating an index. Click the Accept button to confirm you accept the charges, and the software will automatically create a request to make an index of your recording. Depending on the length of your recording, generating an index can take up to 5 to 6 minutes. Therefore, during this time, the index status field is set to Initiated. Once the index has been generated, the index status field will be updated to Indexed. However, your browser may not immediately reflect the change in status, so you may need to click the Refresh button to update the value of the status field. Only when the index process has been completed can you then start to search for words and phrases in your recording. The results of an index search for words or phrases are always expressed as a time period relative to the start of your sound recording. For example, if you conducted a search for the word action and that word has been spoken 2 minutes and 35 seconds after the beginning of the recording, 151 will display the search result as a time tag with a value of 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Because the results of an index search are expressed as a time value, the word search function is instigated on the Tags tab of the 151 sound record. To conduct an index search, navigate to the Tags tab of the appropriate 151 sound file record and hover over the New menu item. Then select the Index Search option. The Index Search panel will be displayed on the left of the page. There are 2 types of index search. The first is a search for the occurrence of one or more specific words. The second is a search for the occurrence of an exact combination of words, i.e., a phrase. To search for the times when one or more words were spoken in your recording, enter a single word or a list of words separated by commas. Click the Accept button and the system will search the index and then create a time tag for each occurrence of the words that you listed in the search field. In this example, we search for the words action and decision. The index contained 2 instances of the word action and 1 instance of the word decision. Therefore, 3 time tags were created. The title column of the time tag reflects the word for which you searched. The Start Time column shows the time at which the word was spoken. And to listen to the recording, starting at the time the word was spoken, click the URL on the tag title. You can edit the properties of a time tag, such as the tag title and tag start time, as well as adding a description. Where your index search has found instances of words that are not what you wanted to find, you can simply delete one or more time tags simply by selecting the appropriate tags and then clicking Delete. In this video, we have explained how creating a 151 sound file index will make a digital database record of what was said in your recording. Using the index, you can search the database for specific words and phrases, and then navigate directly to the time in the recording at which the words or phrases were spoken.